Treating en contre-ligne bedbug. Follow en Integrated Pest Management, IPM, APRO. Qui involve multiples tactiques sucha préventive mesure, sanitation, en chemical applié tout arjeté de site. Bag en londe, 122 degrés et /50 c'est minimum, affected item. Small item ta canobelondred consomme timbe d'infested beating. Individual item, for exemple, quand bevraped in plastique en placed in a haute, suni location for a list fed 122 degrés et /50 c'est minimum target temperature should be monitored in santé most location with a thermometer. Bedbug also succomb to cold temperature below freezing, but chilling perium must be maintained for a list 12 week. Attente to read anti-rumor part no bedbug be raising or lowering at thermostat will be anti-relin successful. Wash all linen en haute, dry en haute setting. Gâté all linen, cloth en lit et bag, mattress cover, clothing, teddy bear. Etc. Machine wash en haute, wash the laundry bag also. Timbre dry en haute. Steam kill bedbug. Some metropolitan area of a bedbug laundry and dry cleaning service which have added benefit of proven method for killing bedbug and bagging or storing clean items so they don't become infested with or misty bin exterminated. If something can be washed or discarded, sucha valuable lite purse, spray with non-toxic bedbug spray, sucha diatomas wert, saline plastic bag en live for a ferment. Dry clean to remove odor if need be. Steam on thème. Liuma jet a simple device capable of generating steam at your local hardware store. Liuma also convert a simple electric kettle to a steam machine by attaching a flexible tube. Steam should kill all bedbug en egg. Toruglis press steam a all corner en siam. Vacuum your use. Ti will remove bug en egg from mattress, carpet, ou allant haute surface. Pay particular attention to siam, tuft en edge of mattress en box spring, ante perimeter edge of wall to wall carpet. Afterward, dispose of the vacuum content in a silent trash bag. Steam cleaning of carpet also helpful for killing bug en egg a vacuuming ma have missed. A vacuum with a filthy especially effective. Repère cracking plasté en gludon illusionné wallpaper to eliminate bedbug arborage site. Removant destroy will animal roost en beer nest when possible. Consider using insecticide. Residual insecticide, usually pire 3, are applié à spot treatment to crack en crevice ou bedbug a reading. Increased penetration of insecticide into crack en crevice can be achieved if accumulated durant debris are first removed using a vacuum cleaner. Readily available aerosol pesticide spray will cause bedbug to scatter making eradication more difficult. Dust formulation marbe used to treat all voie en attic. Repère insecticide application if bedbug are pressed to OVI after initial treatment. It difficult to find a leading place en hidden egma have hatched. Bevar of insecticide program, which require repea, in local store which can be necessarily messy and toxic. Many of the program are also no very potent and can become a monepi. Look for OT option. En list the service of a professional pest control firm. Experienced company know where to look for bedbug, en avant a sorting of management to laser disposal. Owner en occupant will need to assist the professional in important way. Allowing access for inspection entre at me essential en excess clute should be removed. Discard affected item. In some case, infested mattress en box spring will need to be discarded. Since bedbug can disperse through a building, it also may be necessary to inspect joining room en apartment. Pay it forward, shop up en / or damaged item you discard so nobody will be tempted to take them au spray at problem furte. Apply silica gel. Grain up some crystal silica gel en apply it all over in your bedroom. Puis some on your mattress, around the bed en along the wall. The fine silica gel will jet stuck to the bug en it can be shaken off, causing the bug to hydratanti, 2. Becarflul notuinalit. Diatomas suerta similar effect to silica gel en cambe uz d'around matresse siaman à l'onterai of the box spring. The char microfossile q un tout soft bug making temble. If you avacat, change te catolité, cristal silica gel, every 5 des saute nelly at shed will d'hydrate to. Ropea for 5 veik. Ust treortitreol to clean with. Tiol can eradicate but bug intouz. Clint use torugli, top to bottom. Wash shall budding en clothing, with a fed drop of the treol added. Vacuum en wash à la carpet. Tacle al bed à part. Spray them al don with the treol. Apply pest control spray around anti-rome, incident out. To make the spray, mix 18 oz of water with 18 drop of the treol en spray anti-rose with it the carpet, bed, en fourniture. Use wintergreen alcohol to kill bug en serreg instantly. Very inexpensive en easily accessible. Pour the wintergreen alcohol full struntinto a spray bot tle en spray directly on te bug en est. Wintergreen burn te bug en contact. You can also drench your mattress en box spring with towel. Preventing bed bug from entering. Fight against littering illegal dumping. Bedbug love to hide in dump situation if on in your home the bedbug might find their way into your house. It also looks and smell bad for everybody in the community. Use precaution in your own home. Keep the plastic covering ta common your mattress when purchased new. Purchase special bedbug cover for your mattress en box spring. Make sur ta TR quality on with du zipper en constructed with special fabric ta 2 et un rip easily. Dans buit chi version which are not can you to prevent bedbug from sticking their fading tube into the skin through the cove. Vary of acquiring second en bed, bedding, en fourniture. A minimum, such item should be examined closely before being brought into the home. Examine bed en it boar for sign of bedbug when traveling. Low into points are no requiring al bed en breakfast, hotel, motel tout avant matin bedbug bed cover installant ser mattress en box spring. Image title jet rid of bedbug step 18. Elevature lugage of the floor. Be vigilant. Vareuse, storage facility. Truc en relrad karma infested so common bedbug can infest home bestowing away on you furniture stored or shipped from the place. Familiarity may help to avoid infestation, oraliste prompt earlier intervention via professionnel.